In the latest from Marketing Cloud, we're thrilled to announce that Interaction Studio is now powered by Einstein. With Salesforce's acquisition of Evergage, the leading AI powered personalization engine, we now have machine learning baked right into Interaction Studio to power one to one customer experiences. There are two main methods to achieve personalization at the individual level. The first method is through the use of customizable algorithms called Einstein personalization recipes, which make it easier than ever to recommend content, products, categories, brands, and more. With recipes, non technical business users can build, manage, test, and implement AI powered recommendation strategies with results that are determined and delivered in real time. The second method for delivering one to one personalization is by using Einstein personalization decisions, which uses an advanced continuous learning algorithm called Contextual Bandit to decide and deliver the next best offer, action, or experience. That decision takes into account both the likelihood of someone engaging with a particular action or offer, as well as the business value to the company. Let's take a look at these machine learning capabilities in action. This is going to be a quick walkthrough of how to leverage Einstein personalization recipes and Einstein personalization decisions to power one to one machine learning experiences across channels. We're going to start with Einstein personalization recipes, walking through the different components that you're able to configure as a business user to set up your recommendation strategy. In this case, we'll be going through a product recommendation strategy. You can see we've leveraged an approach of blending two different algorithms together from our out of the box algorithms that are available from this drop down list. From there, we can layer in inclusions or exclusions to further refine what's actually eligible to then be recommended to that end user by the machine learning approach. Then we can even layer in boosters based on the rich breadth and depth of data we have about that individual prospect or customer in their unified customer profile to further enhance how we're going to be thinking about the person as an individual shopper or customer. Finally, to make sure that we aren't going to be recommending a single product or a single product type or category too much, we can layer in variations, whether that's randomized or dimensional, to limit what can actually be shown to that person. From there, you're able to test or preview how that recommendation strategy might act or behave from the recipe simulator as that final gut check before publishing it for use across your channels or campaigns. Beyond just product recommendations, we're also able to promote blogs, content, articles, or categories, which really helps to apply this recommendation strategy approach to a number of different verticals as you think about the types of things that you're able to recommend to that end user. Once you've created your recommendation strategies, you can then understand how they're performing. You can A B test them against each other and even understand what products or content are being shown to that end user by that machine learning algorithm. We can also leverage machine learning through our Einstein personalization decisions to power the next best offer or promotion by understanding all the different promotions and offers and their associated validity and eligibility criteria. We can take all the rich data that we have on that customer and then pair it with the deep contextual data, as well as various things like propensities that your data science team might be developing in order to discover, out of all of those offers that they might be eligible for, what is that offer or promotion that has both the highest likelihood of engagement and the highest value to the business? This allows users to be sure that regardless of what channel or interaction point they're reaching their customers or prospects on, we're providing one to one machine learning to every facet of that customer experience.